What's up, everybody? Steve here. I hope you are doing well. I have a favor to ask you guys before we get into this. So since the hurricane hit, we've been busy. We've been busy with helping other people. We've been busy with our own businesses. We've been busy with real estate acquisitions as well in terms of buying and selling properties. And I kind of neglected putting a lot of that on the channel. This is where the favor from you guys helps me out tremendously, because as time progresses, I've just been thinking more and more, what do I want to do with this channel and how can I provide you guys the best value that I can give to you guys. So I kind of have it broken down into 4 sections, and I wanted to get your opinion on what would you guys like to see from this channel. So you guys know we've been doing market updates. That is number 1 on the list. And, I like doing these because, it does provide an insight from a lot of different articles and entities out there, the good and the bad, the bullshit from the truth. And it's good to kind of dissect all of them, and then you guys formulate your own opinion as to where we're headed. And I want to talk about this one article from the Housing Wire as well. The second thing are income properties. Do you guys want us to bring you guys through some of these properties that we are going to be acquiring, and kind of show you guys breaking down the income and expense analysis on these properties? And this is also going to include maybe acquisition of some land that I have in mind when prices start to cool down, to acquire and build maybe some tiny homes or some storage homes. If you guys want to see that, put number 2. The third thing are the fix and flips and how we're doing it, how we're getting organic traffic to our website for motivated sellers as well, getting off-market deals so we're not necessarily competing with the open market, and bringing you guys through those properties. We just did about 3 of them recently, and I didn't bring you guys really through any of them except for the one property that we acquired, which was a hurricane home. We did end up making an offer, and we bought it and we closed on it. I'll bring you guys through the analysis on that, because we were able to get that one for $130,000, and our remodel budget right now is about $40,000 on it, and we're hoping to bring that down just a little bit as well. That's going to be something we're going to be in there full-time living, but I can bring you guys through that. But I want to see if you guys want us to take you guys through some of these fix and flip properties. And then number 4 is all the above. So again, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Let me know that what you guys would like to see on this channel. Help me out tremendously trying to reinvent this channel coming into 2023. I think we're going to see a lot of opportunities coming into 2023, especially with everything going on in the markets today. There's a lot going on, and there's a lot of uncertainty, and I think a lot of people are nervous. I talked about this in other videos where 6, 8, 10 months ago I was talking about people are going to start really putting a lot of money on credit cards, and that's what we're starting to see right now. So that is a bad sign. That's a bad sign to come. Market briefs, if you guys do not follow that, I can put a link for you guys. It's a free newsletter from Minority Mindset, and I'll put a link for you guys so you guys can get the newsletter. Comes out every day. It's a good newsletter. It's just a quick read for you guys. But I screenshotted this one today, and it said, $1 million problem. Yes, even millionaires are cutting back on holiday spending this year. Inflation has taken a toll on everyone, forcing people in most tax brackets to rethink their decisions. According to a CNBC survey, 80% of millionaire respondents plan to spend less this season due to inflation. Want other proof? Look at Walmart. Walmart usually doesn't cater to the affluent shoppers. However, the company's biggest gains in the grocery market in its last quarter came from shoppers with incomes of more than $100,000. And obviously everybody is feeling the squeeze of inflation, from food to fuel to shelter. And unfortunately, it's affecting every tax bracket, or every income bracket. And even us, we definitely budgeted more this year in terms of Christmas gifts and everything else. We do more shopping at Aldi. I don't know if you guys have an Aldi, But we do more shopping there as well, just because you get better deals and the food's fantastic. So again, I think that we're going to see more and more of a squeeze. There might be some light at the end of the tunnel with the Fed continually to raise rates, which brings me into this part of this article that I want to read to you guys really quick. It says the light at the end of the tunnel. If inflation responds as expected in early 2023 and the Fed's terminal rate guess is right, that will indicate that we may have a handle on inflation by mid-year. It's even possible that mortgage rates could then actually decline modestly in the latter half of the year as inflation expectations ease and the risk premium due to uncertainty declines. House buying power could be given a boost from lower house prices and modestly lower mortgage rates. Modestly lower mortgage rates, I don't see them going down too far where it's going to actually make sense for house values to maintain where they're at today. We're seeing across the country in the United States as well as other countries, housing values are on a decline. So it's just going to be a matter of how far and how deep the decline goes. And some areas obviously are going to be hit worse than others based on different economical environments that they're exposed to. But, you know, a lot of things that are not spoken about despite what the Fed's talking about is the amount of debt that consumers have taken on, from really high mortgages to car debt to credit card debt to HELOC loans. And unfortunately, a lot of people are paycheck to paycheck. So, you know, the things that people do not need are the first things that they're going to go delinquent on, or they're going to try to sell right away. And unfortunately, you know, people will lose their jobs, and that could lead to a lot of people basically figuring out different alternatives for housing, whether they're going to have to move in with somebody else or they're going to have to, you know, really make some hard decisions based on their income associated for their family. But if you guys can let me know what your thoughts are on this in the comment section below, or maybe you guys have some other ideas of what you guys would like to see as well, I appreciate it if you guys do comment below, because coming into 2023, you know, we got some different ideas of, you know, how we can utilize this channel for the good. And I just want to make sure that you are getting the most value out of watching this channel as possible. And hopefully over the years, it has helped you out. And as always, I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for being here.